Welcome back, everybody. Automotive Inc. Today we are going to talk about a recall from Ford. Who's surprised, right? This may tick a lot of people off. This Ford is on the new 2023 and 2024 Ford Super Duty trucks. So yesterday, Ford issued a recall for F-250, F-350, and F-450 trucks due to an issue with the rear view camera system, where water from your tailgate park assist sensor interference module causing the image to display an inconsistent or appear blue or black, potentially causing risks. Now, meat and potatoes of it is affected vehicles are 23 and 24 Super Duties. 24,950 vehicles so far have potentially going to have the issue. Again, it's where the water infiltrates the park assist system and leads to that malfunction. They're going to need to replace the tailgate top camera, all the wire harness, the TPASIM module, and software update that bad boy. Newsletters will come out December 9th of this year and letting you know what and when you can get that fixed. A lot of times they come out with the recalls and the parts are not available, but we'll see about that. Again, it will be free of charge. As always, all recalls are free to be repaired, even if you're the 14th owner of the vehicle. Now, you can contact Ford Assistance Customer Service. I'll put the number down below. Right now, it says that of those, that's about 5% of the Super Duties that were produced are going to have that issue. And they broke it down into numbers. It's saying that for 23, it's about 8,800 trucks, and the 24 models are 16,142. Now, it really specifically applies to vehicles manufactured between October 4th, 2022 and March 14th of 2024. So a lot of trucks potentially could be done. Now, again, if you were to lose the camera, they're saying that the reason why they issued this was the potential safety risk can cause people to lose the ability to use their camera in the park assist, which could lead to a collision. It would also notice that the reverse brake assist would be unavailable at that time. And if you've already had that issue and you've had it corrected before the recall came out and you incurred any cost with that, you can contact Ford and get that reimbursed. Now, as always, I will put the link down below for the NHITSA website. You can head over there, type your VIN in. Again, it's a really new and fresh recall, so make sure that you just check it often, and you can see if you get your letter in December. Yeah, I anticipate a lot more vehicles having this issue. I really wish they would find a recall on my battery drain, but again, it's probably not going to be a huge safety concern. It's going to be more of just a manufacturer recall. So, as always, appreciate you guys being here. That is the newest one. It is a short video. Look down there in the corner if you're new to the channel. Smash the subscribe button for me, thumbs up, and notification bell. Head over to the channel and just type in Ford, type in Chevy, and see what kind of information I got, guys. We don't just do car reviews and towing stuff. We do automotive news also. So, thanks again, guys. Catch you on the next one.